Which two transformations can be used to obtain the graph of g of x is a negative square root of x minus c from the graph of f of x equals the square root of x if c is a positive number? Okay, we have a graph, and let's graph f of x equals the square root of x first. Okay, we have the point 0, 0. If you put 0 in for x, the square root of 0 is 0. Okay. If you put a 1 in there for x, the square root of 1, the principal square root, or the positive square root of 1 is 1. That point's right here. Put in a 4, the principal root of 4, the principal square root of 4 is 2. So I'm going 4 to the right and up 2. 9 and 3, square root of 9 is 3. We don't use any negative values for this. In other words, the square root of 9 is a negative 3, but it's the principal root. It's the principal root. So we're always going to be going up here. Okay? For 16 is 4. That's off my graph. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Somewhere out there, you're up here at 4. Okay? So, this looks like this. A parabola headed to the right, where y is always positive because you have the principal root. Now, what does this negative c do, and what does that negative sign on the outside of this do? Well, if you take the opposite of the principal root, instead of having the principal root, we do the opposite of the principal root. We're going to head downward all the time. Y is going to be the opposite of a positive, which is negative. So y is going to be down here for this. That's one transformation, okay? We're headed downward. All right. And if we go 3, okay, this minus 3 right here, okay, means we're going to take 3 steps this way here, okay? 3 steps to the right. So there are my two transformations. Instead of going upward, I'm going downward. And the green graph goes with this, and that's 3 steps to the right of my original one. Okay? So it's going to be c steps to the right. We're going to be going down, so we reflect it across the x-axis. In other words, instead of going up, we go across the x-axis and go down. And the translation is 3 units to the right, or c units to the right.